Hey, what's up, guys? One for you here. I made another telekinesis practice video. Spent a lot of days practicing. Here at the first part, you can see me doing the old stuff, kind of just rolling toilet paper roll. Um, but I tried going for like the mind telekinesis or the telekinesis without using the hands, and I have a couple of clips on that. The camera angle isn't great just because I'm practicing at my desk, at my computer, and my desk isn't very uh, wide. So this is kind of the best camera angle you can get. But it's just practice. Once I set up like true videos with like some quality content, I'll move it over to a table and get some better camera angles. But here you can see me doing some of the handless telekinesis just by using the mind and energy, trying to basically set up some communication with concepts and relationships and characteristics. As you can see in my last video, you can really use all kinds of techniques. Even when using your hands, you kind of display to yourself what you're doing. But even in the mind and with thoughts, you can set up lots of different concepts to influence objects. I realized kind of sensing the objects with, for example, your eyes. Sensing the objects in that vivid fashion is also like a creation of the brain or a projection of the brain. So that's like, in a sense, it's vivid thought what you're looking at, but the actual thing is more like reality. So that relationship may help you get some traction. Here I'm trying to practice with a feather just because it's something different. I kind of want to finish the video with this. And yeah, kind of working out, just using the brain. This is where I really try to visualize or actualize connection between sensing the vivid visual or projecting the visual part of reality through the eyes and the brain, having that connection. It's it's really fun, but it's also a lot of hard work to get some traction, for me at least. Like I see people that are much better on YouTube already, which I really admire, and I just try to become better and better. I think this really is the future. We got to think out of the box to really expand our existence into a bigger part of the universe. But the concepts that go through my mind already exceed like the direct logical sense of human language.